Hello everybody, this is my first video on channel Ossico, and today's subject is problem with measuring temperature. So let's start. This is my heating thermostat, and I thought it's everything fine with its temperature, but I was wrong. All my Arduino sensors show different temperatures. So I thought, what's wrong? So I went to online shop and ordered some better thermometer. Before I can use thermometer, I must solder pins on his circuit board. It was very easy job. The most time consuming part was waiting for soldering iron to heat up. After the soldering was finished, I made some changes in my program to support new thermometer. After that, I connected thermometer to my microcontroller. So let's check the temperature again. And I was disappointed. The result was same. Temperature on thermometer and thermostat was different. There must be some catch. I went to store and bought another room thermometer. I must solve this problem. As you can see, temperatures on thermostat and thermometer are almost same, but the distance between these two devices are almost 2 meters. At the end, I asked my friend to borrow me his thermometer to compare temperatures again. Of course, my thermostat calibration was wrong, but I was sure it's showing the right temperature. So I lost some time in this experiment. Goodbye for now, see you next time.